What if humans never discovered fire? No light, no warmth, just darkness, forever. What if we still ate everything raw, forever? No barbecues, no crispy anything, just chewing. What if there was nothing to keep the monsters of the night away? Let's find out what our world would really look like. 2 million years ago, our ancestors lived exactly like this. Cold nights, total darkness, zero comfort. No fire meant no safe sleep. Every rustling bush could be dinner. For something else, raw food meant hours of tough chewing every single day, just to get enough energy to survive. But one day, nature accidentally gave us the answer. Lightning struck a dry tree, and fire was born. Early humans stared at it, confused and terrified. This strange orange thing danced, and it was warm. Naturally, the first thing anyone did was touch it. Big mistake, but a very important one. Eventually, someone figured out fire could be carried, controlled, and even kept alive. Humanity changed forever. Fire meant warmth on freezing nights. For the first time, humans could survive in cold places they never could before. It also scared predators away. No more monsters sneaking up at night. Fire became humanity's first security system. For the first time, humans could actually sleep safely through the night. Rested humans became smarter humans. Then came the biggest discovery of all: cooking. Meat held over fire tasted better, lasted longer, and was easier to chew. Cooked food was a game changer. It gave humans way more energy from every single meal. Scientists believe cooked food gave our ancestors so much extra energy that our brains actually grew larger over time. Bigger brains meant better ideas. Fire didn't just fill stomachs. It may have kick-started human intelligence itself. Imagine a world with no fire today. No pizza, just raw dough and cold cheese. Tragic. No barbecues. No campfire marshmallows. No birthday candles. Somehow, that feels like the saddest timeline of all. Without fire, humans could never have survived in cold regions. No igloos with warmth. No winter survival. Just permanent shivering. No fire also means no smelting metal. No metal means no tools, no machines, and definitely no phones. Fire gave us something unexpected: free time after dark. That's when our ancestors started telling stories around the flames. Firelight let people work and create after sunset. Some of the earliest art in human history was made by firelight. Fires also became meeting points. Communities formed around shared fires, and those communities became the first villages. One accidental spark led to cooking, safety, bigger brains, art, community, and eventually, modern civilization. Believe it or not, that same fire our ancestors were terrified of eventually launched rockets into space. So the next time you flip on a light switch or grill some food, remember, it all started with one lucky spark. If this blew your mind a little, smash that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more videos just like this one. So, what if humans never discovered fire? Honestly, we'd probably still be cold, hungry, and very, very bored. Thanks for watching!